Build systems that handle 100 million requests per second with Go. Master distributed systems, consensus, zero-copy networking, and Go runtime internals by building AionDB from scratch. This production-grade course features 90 lessons across 6 phases, aiming for a 100 MRPS target. Enroll now at systemdrd.com. Why do most engineers hit a wall they can't break through? Common pitfalls include following tutorials that lie about production needs, encountering diminishing returns from scaling servers, dealing with hidden abstractions that leak memory, and experiencing career stagnation due to a lack of systems depth. Performance matters. Even a 1-second delay reduces conversions by 7%. The solution is hands-on distributed systems engineering in Go, following a no-magic philosophy. The curriculum covers 6 phases: advanced Go memory, lock-free concurrency, zero-copy networking, Raft consensus, LSM persistence, and SRE and chaos engineering. You'll build every component from the ground up, understanding the why behind every nanosecond. You will build and own 5 production-grade systems. These include static KV, a zero-allocation key-value engine, and TurboShard, a concurrent, sharded, lock-free index. You will also create ZeroNet, a custom binary RPC framework, and Raft KV, a 3-node strongly consistent cluster. The capstone project is AionDB, a 100 MRPS engine built from scratch. Our 6-phase curriculum consists of 90 hands-on lessons with zero fluff. Phase 1 focuses on speed foundations, leading to a zero-allocation storage engine. Phase 2 covers concurrent foundations, building a sharded, lock-free index. Phase 3 tackles zero-copy networking with a custom binary RPC framework. This course is built for engineers done with surface-level tutorials. Fresh graduates bridge theory with real-world distributed systems. Senior engineers deep dive into Go internals for maximum hardware throughput. Architects and engineering managers master trade-offs and latency impact. SREs and QA engineers learn chaos engineering and monitoring to harden systems at scale. Other courses teach abstractions. We tear them down. For networking, you'll build a custom binary RPC from scratch. For serialization, you'll use flat buffers and zero-copy deserialization. Consensus involves implementing Raft with pipelining. Memory management means using arenas and unsafe. Observability includes golden signals and P99 tail management. Finally, testing features chaos engineering and fault injection. Every nanosecond saved has a $sign attached. A 1-second delay causes a 7% conversion drop. 88% of users won't return after poor user experience. Conversely, 50% more throughput means millions saved in infrastructure. We target sub-1 millisecond P99 latency for AionDB reads. Low latency provides maximum engagement and conversion. Our student success stories speak for themselves. Engineers who complete the course build what others can only explain. They gain production experience and a deep understanding of why systems perform as they do. Many students achieve promotions and implement their course projects in production. To start, you should know Go syntax, Linux process models, TCP/IP basics, and Big O notation. By the end, you will master Go runtime internals, distributed consensus with Raft, zero-copy networking, and production SRE practices, including chaos engineering and observability. Don't miss the next cohort. Enrollment closes when the cohort is full, with very limited spots remaining, capped for quality. Register today for zero-risk enrollment with a 30-day refund guarantee and lifetime access, including all updates. Start building real systems today with 90 lessons, 5 production-grade projects, a no-magic philosophy, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and lifetime access. Enroll now to master hands-on distributed systems engineering in Go.